My name is Asiyah Ahmad, and I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate. The idea about UNC that really drew me here is, one, Chapel Hill is beautiful, and two, the faculty and whatever you want to pursue in pertaining to research, there are no bars, there are no limits. So if you want to do literally anything, if you want to do cybersecurity, if you want to do crafts, if you want to do human-computer interaction, there is someone to talk to and someone to help you there. One of the biggest cases I can give for community here at UNC is that you can simply walk into any room, any classroom, and really just find collaborators as your classmates. So I've collaborated with a couple of students and faculty. I have taken machine learning classes and I've collaborated with those professors. I've taken human-computer interaction classes and I've collaborated with those classmates. And so in every classroom, it's just a new opportunity to collaborate. So one of the biggest unexpected opportunities I've had is working at RENC. RENC is the Renaissance Computing Center here in Chapel Hill, and my advisor is the director of RENC. And so when I first came to UNC, I had no idea what RENC was. I thought all research was in-house in Chapel Hill and Sanderson, and that's just not the case. You can do research literally anywhere, and the school will support you. RTI is one of the industry research folks that we've talked to. RENC is academic, but also industry. So that's one of the collaborations. NC State, we collaborate with NC State, we collaborate with Duke, and we collaborate with different types of grad students too, which is really unique. My research pertains to large amounts of data and what we can do to make our lives easier with digesting that data. The reason why we love knowledge graphs is because it is a heterogeneous graph that is so good at semantic relationships and extracting ideas and assumptions that are not actually seen in raw data, but are true because of these relationships that we've extracted from the data. So kind of following along this whole idea that we're taking all this data, seeing what we can pull out of it, and then figuring out, okay, what do users actually care about? I think the coolest thing is actually seeing how people use our data. My main goal here is to make researchers' lives easier. So I think post-grad, I'm thinking about becoming a research scientist. Ultimately, having my own lab one day, I don't know what day that will be, but ultimately having that. And my goal is to focus on data and the structure of graphs, because I think there's so much that we haven't done yet in graphs. And it's a field that, complementing with everything else that's growing, AI and machine learning and auto distribution data, these are all things that graphs can help with. So I think that that's something I'm passionate about, something I learned as a grad student, something I hope to continue pursuing post-grad.